Number 8. A tin container has a density of 7.2 grams per cubic centimeter and a volume of 180 cubic centimeters. What is the mass of the container in kilograms? So this is a ratio proportion problem, but you also have grams and kilograms. So that's going to be a second step. But the first thing I'm going to do is take the known ratio, 7.2 grams per cubic centimeter, and I'm going to set up a proportion with that one. 7.2 grams is equal to 1 per, that's 1, cubic centimeter. And we know that our tin has a volume of 180 cubic centimeters. So you want to line those up so that they match. Cubic centimeters are on the bottom. And when you solve this proportion, you will have your answer. So we're going to multiply 180 times 7.2 on the calculator, and that gives me 1,296 what? Grams. That's this missing piece. And I wish we were finished, but we're not, because the question is not how many grams, but how many kilograms. What is the mass of the container in kilograms? So we have to do another conversion. I'm going to do proportion. You don't have to. I know that there are 1,000 grams. This may even be on your formula sheet. I'll check in just a second. In 1 kilogram. And we want to convert 1,296 grams. So you put it on the same row. And so now you're multiplying those two numbers. 1 times 1296 is 1296. And then 1296 divided by 1,000 is going to be 1.296 kilograms. That's this number. That is also the answer to the question. And it's going to be C as in Charlie. And let me check if I can find the formula sheet. I've got this stuff in a folder somewhere. I was going to see if they give you that conversion. Yes, they do. So this is on the formula sheet on page 3. You don't even have to memorize the conversion. They give you this piece of information, because you will need to know that to solve this problem.